Okay then, so in this video I will show you how to make a picture optimized for Google Ads based on our Alibaba link. So as you see, we have four variants. Okay, so dark green, red wine, beige, and black. Okay, so let's open ChatGPT. Once it's open, you come back to our image generation prompt. So you click here, you take all prompt, you paste it. Now you go back on the product. So imagine we want to do the red one. So print screen of the product picture. Once it's done, we are going to search our product. I think is here. Wait. Okay, he's here. So okay, let's go back and let's go. Let's magic happens. We just have to wait some minutes. Show you the results. Wait, let me put computer charging. Okay. So let's wait for the picture. There is a picture. Okay. So first we came from there to there. Okay. Once the picture is done, you just have to upload it to the file. So the file is there, product file. Once you are there, so I will show you the results like green, red, beige, black. Okay, that's the input, and the output is that. So black, green, red, and white. So pretty good results. So see if is good, like good quality. I think is really good quality, and that's all for the product pictures.